No, we just left early.
What's going on, Omar?
What's that?
Thankfully, my phone does not have current battery limits.
Alright, so.
Yo, guys, let's go that way.
Yeah, let's go.
Why?
Rosa, thank you so much.
No.
Dude, that doesn't look plowed.
Pick up Nida.
That doesn't look plowed.
Yeah, I know, but we don't have to worry about cars and shit.
Alright.
Because in the name of love.
No, then we can take another route. If you're walking there already.
Fuck is someone talking to?
Nida.
They got to know this.
Bye. Put your phone down. Bye.
Yo, I'm walking on the tire tracks.
Yeah. Dude, yeah, come on, we got you, man.
Yeah, you're the smartest kid in UIC
Tell
right
me
now.
about it, man.
And we are the dumbest to go outside right now.
Right?
Yeah.
Tell these niggas that.
Oh my god.
Dude, the picture looks so epic. Look at this.
Yeah.
I wish I could take a picture of this right now.
Rosa, your
God,
pants
I'm
are
such a
falling.
good photographer.
There's a fellow pedestrian.
Dude, Salman, can you do this?
Do what?
You got gloves?
No, I don't. Yo, there's a snow plow on the way.
Dude, why is it blowing snow if it's a snow blower?
Yeah, why is it black? What the heck?
Is he high? Oh. Yeah.
I love you so much.
We're about to walk in there.
Raza, Saad, you want to put your phone in right now? Shit.
Who made that fucking noise? You son of a bitch!
Look.
You get away from me!
I can explain.
You don't come near to me!
I can explain. Look at this snow piece. Dude, guys.
Oh my god!
Let it be known that I love all of you guys.
This is about to go in Raina's pants.
Oh my god!
So my penis.
I can't even walk straight right now. Alright.